What do you mean who's
Okay, so we have done a bunch of things with exponents, so we know that an exponent consists of a power consists of a base and an exponent. So this means 5 to the power of 3, which means your base is 5, it's the repeated factor, and we're going to have that 3 times. So this we would say is written as a power, or as an exponent, and this is written as repeated multiplication. We're good there? Okay. Now you can also take any other numbers. We'll take examples of powers of 10, but we could take, let's say, 1,000. This is a number just in standard form. We can also express it as a power of 10. So for instance, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. 1,000 can be expressed as 10 to the power of 3. So 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, those are all called powers of 10 because you can build them by doing 10 to some exponent.
So
Yeah.
you
You can also count the number of zeros, and that's going to be the number of theory.
Right, so another way to think about it, a quick, easy way to think about it is 10 to the power of 1 will just get you 10. 10 to the power of 2 will get you 100. 10 to the power of 3 will get you 1,000.
So would that work with like a 36 or something if you...
So now let's say we had the number 36,000. Well, you know that that is 36 times 1,000. So we could actually rewrite this as 36 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay? Now this isn't typically how they do it. Instead of breaking it into 36 times 1,000, you break it into just having a whole and a decimal, 3.6 times 10,000. Does that make sense? You can see how this is 3.6 10,000s. So we've got 10,000 times 3.6, and then we can represent this 10,000 as 10 to the power of 4. This is called scientific notation. If you don't have this written down anywhere, you should quickly jot this down in your notebook. Scientific notation. So if it gives you the number 36,000 and says to write as scientific notation, in your head you kind of think, okay, what would I have to multiply by or divide by? What would I have to factor out of this to get my decimal place right here? Because currently it's here. So I'd have to jump 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So that means I'm going to have 3.6 times 10 to the power of 4. Scientific notation. Now we could also work this backwards. If you're given something in scientific notation, let's say we're given 1.7 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay? Now we know that we're going to end up moving this decimal place out 3 times. Or we could think of it this way: we're multiplying 1.7 times what's this in standard form? 1,000. So we really have 1.7 times 1,000, which is 1,700. Okay, so we can go from standard form to scientific notation, and we can go from scientific notation to standard form.